Hey gamers, this is Uday Karthik from Fish and Bricks. In this video, we are going to see how to make chat with Firebase in Unity. If you do not subscribe to my channel until now, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. First, we create a empty project named Chat with Firebase. Now click on File, Build Settings, and click on Android and click Switch Platform. Now we need to create a key store for our project. To create key store, click on Edit, Project Settings, Player, Publishing Settings. Now click on Key Store Manager and select Key Store and click Create New in dedicated location. Store your key store somewhere else safe in your computer. Now enter your key store password and enter your alias name and alias password. Now click Add Key. Now we need to import package for our chat. So click on Assets, Import Packages, Custom Packages. Select Do Not For package when you are using Unity version greater than 2019. Now select Firebase Firestore and click Open. Now click Import. This will take a while to complete. Now click on Add Project and click Continue and click Continue. Now select Default Account for Firebase and click Create Project. And click Continue. Now click on Unity and select Register as Android. To get package name of your app, now go back into Unity. Now click Add Selected Registries and click Enable and click Close. Now select Player, Other Settings. Now copy the package name and go back into Firebase console and paste it. And click Register App and click Continue to Console. Now click on Project Settings and click on Add Fingerprint. To get fingerprint from a key store, I have clearly explained in my previous video. Check the video link in the description and in the iCard. Now paste your fingerprint and click Save. Now click on Download Google Services.json. Now add the Google Services.json into your asset folder. Now right click and click Create and name it as Message. Now double click to open in Visual Studio 2019. Now clear these things and add using Firebase.Firestore. Now clear mono behavior and clear all these things. Now add Firestore data and inside of it now add Firestore property, public, timestamp, time, get set. Now create another Firestore property, public, string user, get set, and create another Firestore property, public string message, get set. Now go back into Unity. Now create another script named database and open it in Visual Studio 2019. Now add using Firebase.Firestore. Now add Firebase Firestore, dp in start function, dp equal to Firebase Firestore.default instance. Now clear the update function and create public void listen action. Now click Alt plus Enter and add using system. Now add message equal to new message. Now add message callback, comma, action, aggregate expectation, fallback. Now add a query equal to db dot collection message. Now go back into Firebase console and click on Firestore database and click create database and select start in test mode and click next and click enable. Now go back into script dot order by time. Now add a listener registration, listener equal to query dot listen snapshot for each document change in snapshot dot get change if change dot change type equal to document change dot types dot added debug dot log string dot format new message change dot document dot id and add else if change dot change type equal to document change dot type dot modified debug dot log string dot format modified message comma change dot document dot id. Now add another else if condition change dot change type equal to document change dot type dot removed debug dot log string dot format removed message comma change dot document dot id. Add message equal to change dot document dot convert to message. Now add a callback message. Now save it and go back into Unity and create another script named chat handler. Now open it in Visual Studio 2019. Now add a public static database. Now add awake function if database equal to null database equal to this. Now save it and go back into chat handler script. In start function database listen instantiate message comma debug dot log. Now alt plus enter and I click generate new method. Now add debug.log. Now convert obj into message. Now add message dot message. Now save it and go back into Unity. Now create a empty game object and drag and drop our chat handler and database script. Now let's test it by running it. Now go back into our database and click add document and click auto ID, timestamp and enter the current time. Boom! Now we can get the message from Firebase. In the next part, I will show how to display the message in our UI. To boost me to make more awesome tutorial in Unity, support me on Patreon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Fusion Text for more tutorial about Unity. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next awesome tutorial.